Professor Paulos Muzomuhle Zulu has a passion for education, youth development, and the promotion of black academia. In 1986, he started a postgraduate research internship as a training ground for African academics. He organized a Saturday school program at the University of Natal for grades 10 to 12. Over 1,000 learners went through the school each year, with the majority improving their matric grades against tough odds. As Pro-Vice Chancellor of Students, he instilled a culture of accountability, discipline, and moral probity in student leadership and governance. The Morris Webb Race Relations Unit, which he heads up, has developed a curriculum in leadership and governance for Amakosi, and currently 22 Amakosi are studying for this certificate at UKZN.